Hey, let me show you how you can pair your Creative Zen Hybrid with any Apple iPhone. In this case, I'm actually using the iPhone 12. So first of all, you will have to actually grab your headphones and you will have to locate this power button. You have to be sure that your headphones are turned off, and then you have to click and hold this power button and wait until this indicator starts blinking red and the blue. Now you can release this button. Then on your iPhone, you will have to actually go into the settings, go to the Bluetooth, then turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And now we have to wait until your creative headphones pops on the list. So we can just select them. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected. If you wonder about any application that you can use with this device, there is actually one application, but honestly it's completely useless. I wouldn't even recommend you to get it on your phone because it works. There's only one option where we can change the equalizer settings, but there's maybe I'm gonna show you how it actually looks. I've got it on this Android phone. So this is this actual application, the SXFI, and you can only enter for the equalizer, where you can actually increase or decrease bass. So that's actually not a big deal. You can actually do this in any music services, like if you are using the Spotify, YouTube Music, or Tidal. You can actually find the same options in this streaming services. So this is actually useless application. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.